stumbled upon this post from Jayanta, and obviously post talks about the question it asks is a fundamental question that everyone in the industry probably is asking right now, and saying, can AI really replace humans in building maintenance engineering or in engineering operations and maintenance in general? I think and I just wanted to sort of voice a couple of points from my side. I think fundamentally there's a better question to be articulating in than saying replace. And again, I understand, empathize why this question comes, but a foundational, better way to articulate this is going to be how is the engineering organization or org structure, maintenance O&M org structure going to change because of AI, which means who gets to do what, right? That's number one, and that will then inspire a follow-up question, right? I think where we'll be able to see parts of the workflow or the process will be autonomous with a higher degree of automation. And again, when we say autonomous, doesn't really mean 100% automation. And some of the places there could be 100% automation where we know that human supervisory review or the need for human review is not as critical as it should be. Certain areas where it will become co-pilot, and certain areas where you would continue to have engineers experienced or otherwise playing a key role. But what's certainly going to happen is that when you look at the org structure currently, and I posted something about it, yesterday, where we spoke about how the normal org structure is almost like a pyramid. But with AI, you might as well have a structure which is almost like an Eiffel Tower, right? It is obviously broad at the foundational at the bottom, but as it goes to the top, it starts to shrink in size and volume and width, right? And that's how I think the engineering org structure, whether it's building maintenance or otherwise, would change. Would love to know what everyone thinks, but just thought that would record this perspective. But Jayanta, thanks for writing and expressing this thought. Foundational question. Everyone has it on their mind, or most of us have it on our minds. But obviously, there's no right answer to it at this point in time.